Hello, Portersbury. Here we are again with Evie. Can you give them a wave?
Hello.
And Sam. Evie is fine. That is face paint, just in case anyone is worried. Evie is obsessed with
Makeup at the moment.
with makeup, and particularly that BBC Glow Up where they do their makeup. And so every day Evie's doing different makeup. So we have a red line here. We also have a blue eye.
And a purple eye.
And a purple eye.
Well, I had a blue eye yesterday and someone said I got beaten up.
It did look like you'd been beaten up.
By Mummy.
They did ask if I'd done it, yes. So, to today's activity, we're going to do some cooking, and it is sports week, so we were thinking about
We're
how...
doing energy balls.
We're going to make energy balls. We were thinking about how it should be the Olympics, and there should be lots of sport going on, and not so much. So we thought we would make some energy balls so that if you are out doing any sporting activities, you can take some of these with you on a picnic, or you could have one when you're at home before you go out to do...
Because it's called an energy ball.
Because it's called an energy ball, and they're really fun to make. And what's also great is you can kind of really mix and match.
And they're messy.
And they're messy. So, we today are making our energy balls with dried apricots,
Seeds.
honey, oats, and we've got some chia seeds. Now, you might use dates, you might use another type of dried fruit, you can use some fresh fruit, you could use a banana, but we are going for apricots, dried apricots, which I have just been soaking for a few minutes in some hot water, and it just helps to plump them up. So you do that with dates as well. You could do this with prunes, and yeah, so we're going to use some oats, and then we're just going to flavour ours with a little bit of honey today. You could add some coconut, you can add nuts, but these are going to go in lunch boxes, so they are going into school, so no nuts. You can put chocolate chip in, and then once you've made them, you can roll them in different things. You can roll them in cocoa or coconut, chopped nuts, sprinkles. So they're really versatile. So we will give you this recipe that we are using, but you can adapt it at home. So for those at Portersbury that are joining in, definitely need lots of adult supervision because we're going to use a food processor, and that is very sharp in there, isn't it, Evie? So do we put our hands in there?
I never put my hand in there.
You never put your hands in there.
Especially when it's not spinning, I don't.
Absolutely, we don't put our hands in there at all. So for those of you at Portersbury, what's really nice is if the kids can taste the ingredients as you go. So whatever dried fruit you're using, let them have a little taste. Do you want to try one? You know you like them already, don't you?